Okay, there's
Give her lights.
there's a cat in my lawn, and it just came in, and well, I already have 2 cats at home, which is a black cat and a gray cat. And well, this one is just a random one. Oh no, there's no water in there.
Oh, there's no water.
Oh, she wants to lay down. She's laying down inside of a bird bath. Yeah, this is just the cat who came into my backyard and... Don't jump! Ah! No, Boo. This gray cat is named Boo, and the black cat is named Buna, and... Oh, don't hiss. Don't hiss at this kitty. It's cute. Kitty, kitty. Hi, kitty. You're on YouTube. I'm asking right now if you have a cat and it's gone missing and it looks just like this. I mean, it has white on its feet and they're kind of like gloves. And it's just staring right through a hole and looking at my kitty. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. That's Boo. That's unknown cat licking itself, and where's Muna? Oh, there she is. This kitty right here is Muna. Is this your cat? I mean, it's so cute. It's just so cute. Why are you dancing like Romeo and Juliet back there? Okay, goodbye. I'm ending this video. Bye.